Hello, everyone, and welcome back to AI Insider. Have you ever asked ChatGPT a question, unlocked your phone using your face, or noticed that YouTube always seems to recommend videos you enjoy? Have you wondered how these technologies work? The answer is artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is one of the most exciting technologies of our time. It is changing how we live, work, study, shop, and communicate. From smartphones and hospitals to schools and businesses, AI is becoming part of our everyday lives. In this video, you'll learn what AI is, how AI works, common types of AI real-life applications, the advantages and challenges of AI, so let's begin. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the ability of a computer or machine to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. These tasks include learning from experience, solving problems, understanding language, recognizing images and faces, making decisions, translating languages, generating text, images, music, or videos. Unlike traditional computer programs that follow fixed instructions, AI systems can learn from data and improve their performance over time. Think of AI as a smart assistant. Instead of simply following commands, it analyzes information, finds patterns, and provides useful answers or predictions. How does AI work? AI learns from data. Imagine you're teaching a child to recognize cats and dogs. You show hundreds of pictures and explain which ones are cats and which ones are dogs. After seeing enough examples, the child learns to tell the difference. AI learns in a similar way. The process usually follows 4 steps. Step 1. Collect data. AI needs information such as text, images, videos, audio, or numbers. Step 2. Train the AI. The AI studies the data and identifies patterns. This process is called training. Step 3. Make predictions. After training, the AI can analyze new information and make decisions or predictions. Step 4. Improve. The AI continues to improve as it receives more data and feedback. This learning process is known as machine learning, one of the most important areas of AI. Types of AI. There are 3 main types of artificial intelligence. 1. Narrow AI. Narrow AI is designed to perform one specific task. It cannot do everything a human can, but it can perform certain tasks very well. Examples include ChatGPT, Siri, Google, translate Netflix recommendations, face recognition systems. This is the type of AI we use every day. 2. General AI. General AI is a future concept. It would be able to learn and perform almost any intellectual task that a human can do. Scientists are still researching this type of AI, and it does not yet exist. 3. Super AI. Super AI is a theoretical idea of AI that would be more intelligent than humans in almost every field. Today, super AI exists only in science fiction and research discussions. Real-life applications of AI is already helping people around the world in many different ways. Healthcare doctors use AI to analyze medical images, assist with diagnosis, discover new medicines, and support patient care. Education students use AI to learn new subjects, practice languages, solve math problems, and receive personalized tutoring. Business companies use AI for customer support, fraud detection, inventory management, marketing, and data analysis. Transportation AI helps with navigation, traffic prediction, driver assistance features, and the development of self-driving vehicles. Entertainment streaming platforms recommend movies, music, and videos based on your interests and viewing history. Finance banks use AI to detect fraud, improve security, assess credit risk, and analyze financial data. Advantages and challenges of AI. AI offers many benefits. It works quickly and efficiently. It can process large amounts of data in seconds. It reduces human errors. It automates repetitive tasks. It improves productivity and saves time. However, AI also has challenges. Some jobs may become automated. AI systems can produce biased results if trained on biased data. Privacy and data security are important concerns. AI cannot replace human creativity, emotions, empathy, or ethical judgment. The goal is to use AI responsibly so it benefits society while minimizing risks. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a futuristic idea. It is already part of our daily lives. Whether you're using a smartphone, shopping online, studying, or watching videos, AI is working behind the scenes. Understanding AI today will help you prepare for the future because AI skills are becoming increasingly valuable in education, business, and many careers. Thank you for watching.